Hey guys, welcome to my channel Living in Bengaluru. Today I'm in front of a shop called Clay Arts. Now this shop is in Udupi. This place is exactly opposite to Manipal Inn. This is towards Udupi. There's a flyover. Just before the flyover, before this Hotel Sharada is this place. A lovely place. Please try to visit this place, guys. It's a very nice place and a lovely collection. I will show you the shop from outside. It's Clay Arts. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below. Please watch the video till the end. Like and share the video with your family and friends. Let's see what are the things available here. You can see some beautiful pots, decorative items. The cost is not that much. They usually have tags. This costs around 250 rupees, but a beautiful pot. These are like the flower pots, decorative flower pots which you can use at home. Very good and cheaper in rate. Here is Buddha. This is also like a flower pot. This will cost you around 220 rupees. This is a prayer, and this is 220. The prices may vary by the time you check this video and visit this place, but you've got, other than that, the lovely decorative pieces around. I like this, a beautiful piece to put some small plant, maybe a succulent plant. You can put it and keep it. This is around 60 rupees. You can see lovely showpieces. There's a frog here, a pig. You can find variety of things. I love these coffee cups. Maybe when there is of this size, that will cost you around 100 rupees. Very pretty ones, lovely designs. Then you have this normal flowers. This place is in Udupi, on the National Highway, next to the Karavali Junction. You'll find lovely things here. The whole shop is filled with lovely pottery items. I've shown you a pottery town in Bangalore. Here also you have, this is by the Perdur Cottage Industrial Cooperative Society, and you will find lovely stuff here. You can check out a variety of things. We have some cups here. If you see, if you pick up a normal cup, this is like 70 rupees. Here you have pots, decorative pots. These are the lamp holders. Do visit this place if you want something of clay items, and they are really beautiful. I mean, you can even probably paint them into beautiful colors if you want to, and display it as a decor item in your house. I have picked up a few cups and a few vessels here, the mud vessels, the clay pots which you use for cooking. I use pots for cooking. So I'm just going through, running around. I like the boat as well here. If you can see, it's a pretty boat. It's actually a flower pot, so you can use it as a planter. So that way you have quite a few things. This is for the incense, to put incense. These are all the flower pots you have, lovely ones. Going ahead, here you have these flat plates for frying. You could be using these for frying, or these are like this, pretty ones. You have all through. These are all the mud pots you have. These are like the pots to cook. We cook here in mud pots. We cook rice. The brown rice what we use, the red matta rice, is cooked in these pots on fire. Now these are the pots, and it's very cheap compared to anywhere that you get. This is like 150 rupees, and you have a lovely collection here. Good sturdy ones. Here, if you come this side, there are a few big ones, quite a different one. So I love all these mud pots because I use them for cooking. Now here again we come across some decorative pieces here. If you can see this is 360 rupees, but lovely decorative pieces. If you happen to cross across the highway on towards Udupi, please make sure to visit this place. I'm sure you will find something that's really lovely. This here we call, localites call it as Fuji. This is actually a water jug which you must be knowing, and this costs 200. The cost is 200 here. You have some more lovely things here. All pretty stuff. Just for the, I like this, the turtle pot. This is also a flower planter. Here you can see there are some Ganesha idols if you would want to use these. Okay, here I actually don't know what is this. In case any of you know what is this, here there's a hole here and there is a hole here. I think it's something got to do with the incense sticks. So if anybody knows, please post it in the comment section below. Here I don't know what is this. There are some steps on this pot to enter the pot. It's a step house. Something very lovely. You can always come here, visit this place and pick what you love. There are decor items. There are pots which you can cook food. You can heat up food or cook food in the clay pots. They say eating from the clay pots is really very healthy. Wow, so here is a teapot. This is also very cute. This reminds me of that small kids rhyme, I'm a little teapot. But they're very cute. Now here there's a turtle. I don't know what is this. This is 80 rupees. But really lovely, guys. You can always come here and try this out. This place has got beautiful stuff. You can always use this place. Come here, buy whatever you want. And I like these small, just to keep some tiny little snacks, or probably give it to kids to have snacks, small snacks. Here there's a nice jug which is just 120 rupees. So please try it out. You can always check different pots here, and this is the whole collection. It's a huge big shop where you'll find everything. This is Clay Arts, a unit of Potter's Cottage Industrial Cooperative Society Limited, Peridot. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you back soon again. Bye.